3 healthy steel cut oats breakfast my kids absolutely love. Simple, filling, and perfect for busy mornings. I will show you how I prepare the oats and 3 easy ways to enjoy them. I'm starting with steel cut oats. I prefer this because they are less processed, higher in fiber, and keep you full longer. I like to lightly roast them first. It adds a nice nutty flavor and also improves the texture. For 1 cup of oats, you will need about 4 cups of liquid. I like to use 1 cup almond milk and 3 cups water for a creamier texture. Add a pinch of salt and let it cook on medium heat. It usually takes about 20 to 25 minutes. You will know it's ready when the oats are soft, creamy, and still have a slightly chewy. Once cooked, I turned off the heat, cover and let it cool slightly. This helps thicken the oats naturally. First, I make a peanut butter berry oats. I take a couple of spoons of cooked oats, add chia seeds, hemp seeds, a pinch of cinnamon, peanut butter, and a little date syrup. This adds fiber, protein, and healthy fats. So, this breakfast keeps you full for hours. I pour in some warm almond milk. This helps the peanut butter melts and makes everything creamy. Mix well, and if it feels too thick, just add a little more milk to adjust the consistency. Top it with fresh raspberries, blueberries, sunflower seeds, and a little granola for crunch. You can enjoy this warm or cold, both taste amazing. Let's taste this. It's so creamy and satisfying. Next, I'm making a warm apple cinnamon oats. I started by sauteing chopped apples in a little butter with cinnamon, nutmeg, and a bit of date syrup until they are soft and glossy. Then I took some cooked oats in a bowl, add chia seeds and a little almond butter. Add the sauteed apples, save some for toppings. Pour in warm almond milk and mix everything well. And if feels too thick, just add a little more milk. Finally, top with the remaining apples and some roasted walnuts for crunch. Let's taste this. This tastes like dessert, but it is so wholesome. Finally, I'm making a chocolate oats. I take some cooked oats in a bowl, add chia seeds, peanut butter, cocoa powder, and mashed banana for natural sweetness. Pour in some warm almond milk and mix everything well until smooth and creamy. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and healthy recipes. Top it with sliced bananas, a sprinkle of dark chocolate chips, and some walnuts. Let's taste this. This feels like dessert for breakfast. Thank you so much for watching.